Hi! If you're looking to upgrade your home security, then I think you're in the right place. Today, we are unboxing a perfect mix of style and high-end tech safety. This is the new OT160 Smart Digital Door Lock. Right out of the box, you can tell everything is packed securely with a lot of attention to detail, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition. First up, we have the user manual to guide you through setting it up. Along with precise installation card template to make mounting it onto your door incredibly easy. They've also included a set of premium alkaline batteries, a smart OneTouch Access card, and a pair of solid mechanical keys, just in case you ever wanted traditional backup. Next up is the core of the lock. This is the heavy-duty mortise body. It feels incredibly solid and well built also, which is exactly the kind of rugged strength you want protecting your front door. And here is the main thing. Peeling off this protective film reveals a gorgeous matte black finish. It's minimalist, sleek, and honestly looks like a piece of luxury premium design. Taking a closer look at the panel, it cleanly integrates a digital doorbell, an RFID reader, and a responsive touch keypad right into the face of the lock. The inside panel matches that same clean high-end look. It houses the battery compartment and blends right into your home's interior decor without looking bulky. The handle movement is incredibly smooth, and there's a built-in privacy switch for the extra security when you are tucked in for the night. Whether you prefer using a fingerprint, a smart card, or a passcode, this lock completely changes how you think about keyless living. The OT160 by OneTouch is smart, secure, and beautiful. So upgrade your peace of mind today.